Okay, good morning. So I'm down here at Luang Namtha morning market, and this is my first Lao morning market. So I'm really interested to see what's different here. I'm off hiking today, so hopefully I can pick something up for breakfast. Lunch is included, but I want to pick something up for breakfast, something along the way. And yeah, I think I've spotted something straight up that I haven't seen before. I'm not 100% sure what these are. I'm also not 100% sure what that is in that bag, but it's moving around. So yeah, we've got quite a few interesting things here. What is this one? You eat? You can eat this, okay. Wow, this looks insane. Look at the, I don't know if you can see the spikes on this one, it's very spiky. But the stall owner here was just saying that you can eat these, so I have no idea how you would prepare that. Yeah, all right, let's go walking around and I'll see what we can find. So this meat section here is, yeah, this is quite incredible actually. The meat just looks incredibly fresh. So obviously we've got pork liver. Look at this. So that's the pork blood. A lot of the stuff we've seen before, but yeah, this just looks really, really fresh. So this is the buffalo stall, very, very popular. All kinds of cuts of buffalo here. Yeah, I'm not sure what these are hanging up. Sabadi. Yeah, so the cool thing about Laos, it's different from Thailand, is that sort of like the foods that you can take away, they have them on these plates here. So this looks like some kind of salad. It's got, I can see pork running through it, obviously coriander. I think there's some bamboo or banana leaf in there as well. And then they just sort of slide them off the plate into a bag. So this one is a kind of minced noodle dish. Okay, so you know I'm a fan of things wrapped up in parcels. So here we've got some parcels of, I have no idea what. And all I can manage to distinguish is that it's 10,000 kip. It's warm. I have no idea what it is. So it's wrapped up in a banana leaf. This is the kind of thing I like to go for, so I'm going to give it a whirl. So that's breakfast, whatever it is. It's warm, it's got juices running out of it. I'm taking one. Okay, so I'm about to head off hiking. So I'm going to get stuck into whatever this breakfast parcel is. This is wrapped up a bit different. I've never seen them wrapped up like this before. So kind of excited to get into this. There we go. Oh, okay, so there's stuff inside as well. Wow. Okay. So it's got pork, I think it's pork inside. This is incredible. It's like pork skin in there as well. So the pork is cooked down so much like a skin, but just absolutely melts away. You really don't even have to chew that. It's incredible. It's very savoury. Okay, so we're back at the morning markets, picking up some stuff to take on our trekking trip. We got the fish. He's just picked up some mushrooms. But yeah, this is going to be an interesting day, I think. Okay.
This
I can try? Come try. Come try. Okay, so we got dried bamboo. Dry bamboo.
Bơi có lương thôi.
Alright, getting to try everything here.
Small one.
Oh wow.
It's sour.
Sour.
Yeah,
So you cook with this?
yeah, with fish.
You put it in a curry?
Yeah.
Wow, that is really good. Seb Lai. I like that. I like that. It's got a little bit of a bitterness, but yeah, it's sour. It's lovely, really refreshing. A bit like lime, really. It's delicious. Come try. Wow, this is an education at the markets. I love it.
And you can buy from the bamboo.
And you cook this?
No, some people
You just eat?
or we can use for fishing.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Fishing
Yeah,
or
okay.
you can use for trap for killing animal.
Yeah.
Possible.
So you can eat it and you use it for bait. Yeah. Oh. Still alive. Seb Lai?
Step line.
Seb Lai. It's still moving around. Okay. First time trying a live bug.
How?
It's not bad. It's like when you crunch into it, it's very juicy, and that's a little bit off-putting. It's quite refreshing in a way. It doesn't have a strong flavour. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Okay. We're off hiking. We've got a local guide with us, and we've got me as well, who was the one taking us around the village, around the markets this morning. So yeah, days hiking, trekking in the jungle, bit of lunch along the way, bamboo cooked, and yeah, hopefully get to learn a little bit more about the jungle as well, with these local guides. Me's English is pretty good, so right.
Poison.
Yeah.
Poisonous eggplant.
Okay.
If you eat alma kìa.
Alma là một cưa bà.
Ba mean is drunk, you know. Ba like if you eat you drunk like magic.
Yeah. Spiky tree.
Yeah. And also the spike, this one, if they hit you in your leg, it's no shoe, but it's hard to find them.
Yeah.
Because color of the spike and your skin is look the same.
Yeah.
If you feeling, you just dig and you cannot to find them. Like really itchy. Really itchy.
Yeah.
You want to try?
No. Banana and banana flour.
Yeah.
Well done. We've just been in to cut flour down for our lunch. Yeah.
This for lunch. Is going cook for lunch.
so this is our lunch setup. It's pretty cool. Amazing setting. Massive trees around. Skin of the buffalo, okay.
Let's put inside the soup. Burn first, cook first.
Okay. So that was the skin of the buffalo. It's gonna burn it first and then it's gonna go into the soup. Okay, so this is the soup, and it's got the buffalo skin in it. It's coming out purple, boiling up now. It's got the mushrooms in it, and it's got the banana that I cut down. Here we go, push it in. So it's boiling away. And then also the fish that we bought in the market this morning. It's grilling up here. Okay, so this is the banana blossom. Yeah, the banana flower. Oh, that's going in the soup as well. Wow. Okay, so he's got the bamboo here. Mia's got the bamboo. So inside the bamboo there are different sections. So he's got a small piece of bamboo and he's using it like a pestle and mortar. You got garlic, macken. He's laughing at the way I say macken. Yeah, so that's a proper jungle style pestle and mortar. Oh, that smells so good. That's spicy fragrance. Okay, that's going into the soup. That smelled like pepper, like peppercorns as well. I am very much enjoying this jungle cooking class that we're having here. These guys are awesome. Alright, so we've got the insides of the fish with some, I think from plants from the forest. He's put salt on there. Is that macken? Macken?
Macken.
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 Macken. Okay. Macken. Yes. Macken is the spice, a bit like Szechuan. And then yeah, it's got a bit of garlic going in there as well. So this is the macken.
Macken, yeah.
Macken, yeah. That's a spice found in the north here. Find it in Thailand as well. I saw it first in Thailand. So most importantly, the things that you can make out of bamboo here in the jungle are shot glass. So Mia's made a little shot glass out of bamboo and
Whiskey.
corn whiskey, local corn whiskey. 55%. This is the strong stuff. There's only one shot glass though. Only one glass. Okay. You go first.
You go first?
You go first.
No, stop, you have to go
No,
first.
no. No, this is your stuff, man. Okay.
Muốn có xuông một nồi đây. Take a can you say
Is that cheers?
No, I have glass. You say yes like Take a Take a Take a
What was the you dropped some to the, was it a blessing, like to
Yeah.
to the tree, or to the forest,
It was tree to the jungle.
to the jungle? Okay, that's nice. Can I do that too?
You sure?
Yeah. So you just give a little blessing to the jungle for a thanks, I guess. Do I have to do it in one?
Yeah, one
I have to one
time.
one time. Okay, this is like midday. Okay, 55%. Okay.
You try it, sir?
Yeah, yeah, that's 55% stuff. It's warming on the inside. It's not too bad actually. It's not like it's actually got a bit of flavour to it, which is nice. But yeah, it doesn't hurt at all. It's just warming. It's really not that bad for 55%. That could be a lot worse.